Look at all the rhododendron. Speed shop. They got themselves a yurt up there on the hill. There's yurt rentals down the bottom of Wayah Road, down by the river. Alright, here's the lake. Look how pretty that lake is. I hope y'all come and visit this year. I missed you last year. They were building a house up here last year. I wonder what it's like now. All these people putting in boat docks. Look at that house. Holy moly, look at that house. Could you imagine having that kind of money? Look at that house. There's nowhere to park your car, but that house is amazing. That view is just going to be great. Last time I came through here, that was just, it was like the foundation and the basement. That's all that was there. I think maybe they should have gone up one more floor. Put a fourth floor on there. Put their kitchen and dining room up on the fourth floor. So when they're entertaining guests. That's like my house. My house is set up to serve 26 people at dinner. Hindsight, I should have put it up on the third floor, but all my friends are really old and it's hard enough for them to get to the second floor. Alright, here is Lakes End Grill. This place has got to be opening soon, but there's Lakes End Cafe and Grill. I highly recommend that you stop and eat there if you're in this neighborhood. I'm telling you, if you're on Wayah Road, you need to stop and eat there. I'm not recommending it, I'm telling you, just go ahead and stop and eat there. You will not be disappointed. Alright, so if you want to go to Andrews, here's Junaluska Road. We're going to make us a big old lefty. And now we're really going to get off the mountain. So this road is going to take us right into downtown Andrews. I've noticed quite a few houses burnt down this year. Need to check those fireplaces. I'm thinking that was a voting precinct. I don't think I've ever seen people out there before. Today is election day here in western North Carolina. Here in North Carolina. Maybe where you're at too. If you want to talk politics, I am not a Republican or a shitty Democrat. I'm independent. I believe all elected officials are corrupt. Prove me wrong. That's right, you can't. Now we're behind a state dump truck. We're not going to be behind him for long. Let's just be an Amazon van. It could be an Amazon van. Amazon's going to dominate these mountains. You already know how rural we are right now. And then to be able to get your Amazon package next day, yeah. Delivered by Amazon.